All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Everybody's doing well. Today is Friday morning, in the morning, and we're going to set up the weekend here with a couple altcoin trades we're kind of looking at. Just did an Aave video. You can find that on the channel. I'll also link it in the Discord and on Facebook and all that good jazz at some point today. Hopefully, you guys can take a look at it tonight. We're going to talk some Yearn Finance, YFI, and I know people have left Yearn Finance for dead. Maybe rightfully so, right? Like whatever the criticisms are, you can go back, just Google Yearn Finance, hit the news button, and you can kind of see what the last 6 months of what's out there. And again, everything's opinion for people. But I will tell you this. Developers are constantly developing. Okay, that's why they're called developers. It's kind of an action verb, developer, like developing, right? And so things will come along and things will throw wrinkles in for a while, but you got to look at the people that are behind a lot of the projects that are out there first, things that they've done, other projects they've worked on, how successful were they? Did they cut and run? Like, there's just a lot of stuff that, when you start following crypto, the cryptoverse, you'll figure out some of the names, you'll figure out some of the people, and you'll also figure out where the money backing a lot of projects is coming from and their success rate at picking really good projects. That's also a big component of being successful in a spot trade, because you don't really have the fundamental research. You don't have earnings per share. You don't have all the stuff that you can look at from Morningstar, right, on crypto like you do stocks. Okay, you don't have all that info. And so you really have to, dial some things in. I think right now we're going to see a little bit more of an upward movement trajectory now after everything. And I'm saying that, look, we've played YFI short all the way down from 28,000, okay, at different times. But I really think she's leveled off here around that 18, 19,000 level and could have gone a lot lower given what happened with Bitcoin, given what happened with this week in the last 10 days with a lot of volatility. I mean, and it didn't. So I'm very optimistic about that. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. You need to do your own due diligence. You guys know that. But I like the fact that it's right now on its trend line. Okay. It's crossed its 7-day trend line. All right here. It's now attacking the 21-day. So right here at this 21-day is where I'm going to change my sentiment, short-term trading sentiment on YFI. And the reason being, I believe breaking that. Now, we didn't get a full candle close above the 21-day here on the 13th of April. Okay. So it tested it, came back down. I think it's going to test it again. Okay, so that level is about 19,500. Okay. But you've got to go back and look how far back we've been since it's actually come back above both. So here on April 1st, it broke through both the 7 and 21-day trend lines, mates, and went from 22,000, the 22,000 channel, all the way to the 25,000 channel. That's a significant trade, mates. Okay? And so we didn't get, look at this wickage here. We didn't get the close above, okay? And that's actually when some bad news dropped for the market. I think it was gas, again, sanctions, all that stuff, Ukraine, whatever, disaster mess that is, driving it all the way back down, beginning on the 5th of April. And we are here where we are now. I think I'm going to personally, I'm going to wait, okay? Because I don't need to get in the trade early. You can, if you're more of a risky, but I want to see her get above this 21-day, 19,174, okay? Not a wick, okay, on the candle. On a 1-hour stick, for example, 4-hour, I'm in. I'm doubling down, okay? Me personally. But you want to use that 7. It's already crossed the 7, but the 7 now becomes support. So if it breaks the 7, it can fall back down.